Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we'll learn about booleans, which is very important in Python. And if you want to become an expert in Python, you need to learn this. But before moving ahead, please consider subscribing if you like my content. So let's get started. First, I will tell you what are booleans. So booleans are conditions, and there are only two conditions which are mostly used in booleans, which is true and false, and it is used mainly in the while loop, which is also on my channel, and if and else loop, which is also on my channel. If you don't know what is if and else loop and a while loop, you can go and check it because it's very important. So check that video before coming to this video. Okay, next, booleans are very useful. As I told you, they can be used in if and else and while loop, and you can use it in many projects. So for example, I'll write a line of code which will be print hi, and then I will type while true, and notice that I am that the T in true is capital, and it has to be like that. Next, you can type while true. You can say print true, and if you run this program now, you can see that there are like true coming over here. And why is that? Because the line of code I've written over here, which is print hi, is true, like it's happening. So when a line of code is happening or it's true, it will print true. But if I type false over here, and now this is very interesting. So if I type false over here, what will happen is, well, let me just show you. So while false will print false, and when we run the program, this time false is not coming. It's coming as high. Why? Because the line of code is happening. It is true. It's not false. The print high. This line of code is actually happening, and so whenever it's happening, that means it's true. So it will print true, and while false it will print high because this line of code is not happening. So yeah, that's all for the video. It's as simple as that. Booleans are very simple. So if you like this video, drop a like and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.